To determine the vertical asymptotes of the graph of this function, g of x equals x cubed divided by 2x cubed minus x squared minus 36x. To find the vertical asymptotes, we need to first set the denominator equal to 0 and factor it if possible. So let's do that over here. 2x cubed minus x squared minus 36x. Well, we could factor out a greatest common factor of x, which would leave us with 2x squared minus x minus 36. Now to factor this, we notice that this is minus 72, so we need to find two values that multiply to be negative 72, but add to be negative 1. Now running through that list fairly quickly, I've already done this. I find that 8 and minus 9 work well. So we're going to keep the x out here, but I'm going to factor by grouping. So 2x squared minus 8x, nope, actually plus 8x, minus 9x, minus 36. We'll rewrite that as 4 terms, and then the first 2 terms have a 2x in common, which leaves us with an x plus 4, and the second 2 have a minus 9 in common, which leaves an x plus 4, which means this factors as x plus 4 and 2x minus 9. I'm going to bring down my x factor, my greatest common factor, so that this in a completely factored form is x parentheses x plus 4, close parentheses, open parentheses, 2x minus 9, close parentheses. Now I'm going to rewrite g of x so that it is x cubed over x times x plus 4 quantity times 2x minus 9 quantity. The next thing we'd want to do is cancel any factors that we can. Any factors we cancel actually tell us where holes exist, okay, where removable discontinuities exist. So here I can actually cancel by a factor of x, so that this becomes g of x is x squared over x plus 4 quantity times 2x minus 9 quantity. All that's the denominator, both factors. And now we set the denominator equal to 0, each of these. So the first value, I can see that I would have x is not equal to, or my asymptote actually is x equals minus 4. And the second factor, 2x minus 9, if I were to solve that, set it equal to 0, solve it, I would add 9 and then divide by 2. So positive 9 over 2. So I have two vertical asymptotes. Those are x equals, vertical line, x equals negative 4, and x equals 9 over 2. The factor that I canceled, the x, okay, if x is 0, that would be a removable discontinuity. Those are the vertical asymptotes we're after.